Greetings! I am Dabbie Jane Dancing, 21 years of age, from the furniture capital of the Philippines, Mandaue. Born as an only child, I was independent my whole life. I was taught to never rely your needs to other people and to learn to stand on your own feet. I am a proud UST scholar since first year and one of the beneficiaries of the mentoring program in Cebu Normal University. I pursued education for I have the burning passion and love for both science and teaching. Ever since I was little, I dreamed of becoming a teacher. And that I want to become a teacher who don't just teach what's in the book. Rather, I want to impart knowledge and life-changing lessons to my students. Something that will inspire them to become great individuals with a good heart. Something that they will carry on as they go along their lives outside the four-walled classroom. I want to become a teacher who is fair and just. Someone who is optimistic and will always choose to see the good in every student. Will always lend a hand to help and to let every student see me as a safe space where they can be anyone who they want to be and they can show who they really are with no fear of judgment. So without further ado, let me take you back in time as I show you my best outputs during my third year as a BSED science student. Let's go! So for my first output, this is the first research study I have co-authored during college. It is entitled Student-Teacher Interns Perspectives in the Integration of Classroom Management in an Online Learning. This quasi-experimental research is made possible through the guidance and tutelage of Dr. Marchi Picardal for our educational research subject. Another research study I have co-authored is an action research about the use of Human Anatomy Atlas simulation in teaching human anatomy to enhance students' attention span and academic performance. This is for a field study subject where we are tasked to formulate an action research study catering the frequent cases and scenarios of teaching science inside the classroom. With the passion to pursue science, we are bound not just to impart knowledge to our students, but to also aid in seeking solutions to common societal dilemmas through scientific knowledge and research. This pre-experimental research study is the most recent I have co-authored on, entitled Multi-Stage Rainwater Filter Using Moringa Seeds, Banana Peel, Gravel, and Sand for Potable Water. Now, after showcasing those research studies, let us proceed to some video presentations I have performed. First up, we have my video-based detailed lesson plan for grade 8 students in the field of earth science. So this is a video recording for a live discussion I have performed together with my group mates. Each group is assigned to a specific topic, and ours is about balancing redox reactions in our general chemistry subject. Here I am balancing the left and right equation of zinc and nitric oxide. Next up is another video problem discussion, this time on our general physics subject. This is all about Lorentz transformation.
Good day, everyone. I am April Rose Discartin together with my partner Dabbie Jane Singh. Today, we're going to discuss about problem number 2 in Lorentz transformation. So question number 2. In reference to question 1, two observers on Earth are sitting together at 56.4 meters apart. How far apart are they based on the measurements of the spaceship's crew member?
We can infer that since the two observers are at rest in the Earth's frame, the distance between them as measured on the Earth is the proper length for them to be separated by. Because the Earth is moving in relation to the spaceship crew will measure the distance between the two Earth observers in less than 56.4 meters in length.
From problem number 1, which is L equals L sub O over gamma symbol lowercase equals 400 meters multiplied to the square root of 1 minus 0.99 squared, which is L equals 56.4 meters. In question number 2, the situation is reversed. Here, the L sub O is in the Earth's frame of reference, and we will use the formula L equals L sub O over gamma symbol lowercase equals 56.4 meters multiplied to the square root of 1 minus 0.99 squared. Therefore, L equals 7.96 meters.
Therefore, following the 56.4 meter proper length as measured by the crew, it would contract out to 7.96 meters. As teachers in the making, we are trained to have student-led discussions to facilitate teaching and learning process. Here, for our field study class, we had a presentation discussing the qualities a teacher must possess to be able to successfully perform the role of being a channel of knowledge, both a guardian and a guide, and to help pave the way towards success for every student. Recently, for our molecular biology class, we had another student-led discussion about cell death. Fact, this was a presentation with more than 100 slides. We were 8 in a group that time facilitating the discussion. One of the process any aspiring teacher would have to undergo is the licensure examination for teachers. In our field study subject, we have been tasked to create a mock board exam questionnaire specifying certain topics. Ours was all about bulletin boards. So we are 5 in a group, and each of us need to have 2 sample board exam questions. These 2 here are my own questions. In our teaching of science subject, we are required to create and produce series of detailed lesson plans about our major to enhance and continuously practice in making it for a future profession. Here is one of the DLPs I have made in the field of chemistry. So my topic here is about the periodic table of elements, and my strategy of teaching is based on the 7E. The elicit, engage, explore, explain, elaborate, evaluate, and extend. Writing is one of my passion. It is my main way of expressing my thoughts. With writing, I feel like I'm home. Here are 2 of my best written works. One is utilizing English language, while the other one is Filipino. Both are equally significant to me, for I was able to successfully transcribe my emotions into a writing piece. The first one is a personal motivation for oneself. We are tasked to write the message we would like to hear during our darkest times. It is a form of self-reflection. The next one is a Filipino argumentative essay. I chose politics as a topic since election is fast approaching that time. So that sums up the collection of my best outputs during my journey as a third-year BSED science student. As I end this presentation, I have a very inspiring quote from Sidney Harris that says, "The whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows." That would be all. Thank you for watching.